Hey there, beauty and health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that might just change your skincare game. You've probably heard about the hype surrounding sardines and their incredible benefits for your skin, but what if you're not a fan of these little fish? Well, fear not, because I've got some exciting alternatives for you. Let's start with the basics. Sardines are part of the SMASH group, which stands for sardines, mackerel, anchovies, salmon, and herring. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Now, inflammation is like a silent saboteur for your skin, so taming it is crucial for a healthy, glowing complexion. But here's the thing, not everyone loves sardines. So, let's explore some other options that can give you similar skin-loving benefits. First up, let's talk about other oily fish. If you can tolerate mackerel, salmon, or anchovies, you're in luck. These fish are just as rich in those amazing omega-3 fats, which are like a superhero team for your skin's health and appearance. Now, for a nutty surprise, Brazil nuts. Just a few of these bad boys can fulfill your daily selenium needs. Selenium is an antioxidant powerhouse, supporting your thyroid, immune system, and cognitive function. And get this, it's also a secret weapon for your skin, helping to protect it from those pesky free radicals that can cause long-term damage. Moving on to eggs, which are not just a breakfast staple but a skin-loving treat. Eggs are packed with protein and micronutrients, and they also contain vitamin D, another skin-supportive vitamin that fights inflammation. Next, we have oysters, which are high in zinc. Zinc is like a superhero mineral for your skin, aiding in repair, wound healing, and boosting your immunity. And finally, let's talk about extra virgin olive oil, EVOO. Now, you might have seen people taking shots of this stuff, and while I wouldn't recommend that, incorporating EVOO into your meals can have some serious skin benefits. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which support your overall metabolic health and help keep your blood sugar stable. Stable blood sugar is key for healthy skin, as those highs and lows can contribute to acne. Plus, EVOO contains vitamin E, another antioxidant that protects and supports your skin's health. So, there you have it, a whole range of delicious and nutritious alternatives to sardines, all of which can contribute to your skin's health and radiance. Personally, I think it's fascinating how certain foods can have such a profound impact on our bodies, and it's always exciting to discover new ways to nourish ourselves. I hope this breakdown has given you some inspiration and insight into how you can incorporate these skin-loving foods into your diet. Remember, taking care of your skin is an inside job too. Until next time, stay healthy and beautiful, my friends.